Hello everyone. Do you like my dancer? It's very good, yeah? Do you like her hair? What color is her hair? Her hair is yellow. What color is her dress? Can you tell me? Is it blue? No, it's purple. Would you like me to show you how to make a dancer? Yeah? Okay, I will show you how to make a dancer. To make a dancer, you will need some paint, some wire, a spoon or a fork. This is okay. A straw for drinking, some scissors, a paintbrush, and some plasticine. You will also need some tape. Okay? So, first, we will make the arms and the body. To make the arms, we take some wire, like this, and we bend in the middle, like this, okay? Then we twist, like this. This is to make her hands, okay? So one hand, then with the other side, one part, we make a circle, like this, and we push down and hold, like this, okay? Then, you might need to twist this also. Then, we take the other part, like this, and we wrap around, like this, okay? We wrap around to make her hands, okay? So now we have the arms and the hands, okay? Then, we take our spoon and a little piece, a very little piece of tape. So we take our scissors and we cut our tape like this, okay? And we stick to the back of our spoon like this, okay? We stick to the back of our spoon. Then we peel our tape off and we stick our wire on the back like this, okay? We also will put a little piece of plasticine on to hold it in place. So we take some plasticine, pull a piece off, and we will just put on the back here and then wrap around like this, okay? Wrap around like this, okay? To make our shape like this, okay? Like this, okay? And now we are going to make her dress like this and her legs like this, okay? First, I will make the legs. This time, we take some wire and again, we bend, okay? So we take our wire like this and we bend and twist, okay? We bend and twist. And then the same at this end, we bend our wire, and then we twist our wire, okay? We twist our wire like this, okay? Okay, then what we do is this is going to be our dancer's legs, okay? So now we take our two ends and we fold them. These will be our dancer's feet for walking, okay? So next, we take our straw and we cut small pieces off. One small piece, two small pieces, okay? Like this. And we put on the end of our dancer's legs to make her feet. One and 2, like this, okay? Then, now we have our dancer's feet. We take some plasticine and we will put some plasticine on the straws. I am using purple plasticine, but you can use any color, okay? So we take some plasticine and we just put on the straws, like this, okay? Like this, okay? 1 and 2. 2 pieces of plasticine, okay? Like this. 1 and 2. Okay? Like this. 2 pieces of plasticine. So now the legs stand up. Okay? Next, we will make our dancer's dress. So to do this, we take some craft paper and we want to cut a rectangle. Okay? A rectangle is long, short, long. Okay, so long, short, long, like this. So we take our scissors. Be very careful when you are using scissors. Ask your mom or your dad to help you with the scissors, okay? And we want to cut a rectangle, like this, okay? So, long, short, long, okay? And we are going to take our spoon and wrap our dress around like this to make sure it is the right size. First, we must put some tape on our spoon. So we take our tape and we cut a small piece off, okay, like this. And all we do is we put on our spoon like that and we wrap around like this. Okay, like this. Then we peel off our tape. We peel our tape off like this. And once our tape has peeled off, we can stick our dancer's dress on like this. So we put one corner there and we just wrap around like this, okay? If you need a little glue, this is okay. So we could just put a little glue on the back here, like this, okay? So we wrap our dress around. Then we want to make our dress more exciting. So we take our scissors and we just cut the ends like this, okay? We can just cut the ends of the dress like this, okay? To make our dress more exciting, okay? Like this. And then we can do this, and wow, look at that. Now it is a good dress. So now we will take some more plasticine, and we will put on our dancer's legs here, like this. So we just take some plasticine and we wrap around like this, okay? Okay, just like this. So our dancer is almost finished, but we must do her hair and her face. So to do her hair, we take our paintbrush and some paint. I am going to use yellow, but you can do any color, okay? Maybe I will not use yellow. Maybe I will use a different color. What do you think? Should I make her hair green? Yeah? Okay, I will make her hair green. So we take our green paint and we put here. Then we take our paintbrush, put in our paint, and we just make our dancer's hair like this, okay? Take some green paint, put like this, and make our dancer's hair, okay? Do you know anybody with green hair? I don't, but our dancer has green hair. Do you like her green hair? I think it's great. Okay, now we have done her hair, we will do our dancer's face. And to do this, you can use paint or you can use some plasticine, okay? I am going to use a little bit of plasticine. So I will take some white plasticine here, and I will make into 2 balls. I will just roll like this, okay? Roll the balls like this. Then I will stick the balls to our dancer's face like this, okay? This is to make our dancer's eyes. She is a very happy dancer, so she is going to have a smile, okay? Now, all we do is we take our dancer and we put on our plasticine here, like this. And we are finished. Our dancer is ready. And then all we do is we can do this. With our dancer's arms, we can change them. We can put them up or down. And we can also make her dance like this. Okay? Did you make a dancer today? If you made a dancer, why don't you take a photo of your dancer and send her to me so I can see what she looks like. I bet it looks great. Also, if you have any very good ideas for things that I can make, why not write them down and send them to me at this address here, and maybe I will make them next time. But for today, we have no more time. Don't worry though, because I will see you next episode, okay? Goodbye, everybody.